Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest tips and tricks for favorite apps and platforms. Today we're exploring the world of TikTok, the place where creativity meets fun. If you're looking to join this vibrant community, you're in the right spot. We'll guide you through creating a new TikTok account right on your mobile, step by step. So let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you've downloaded the TikTok app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. You'll be greeted with a sign in page, but since we're here to create a new account, look for the sign up button. TikTok offers several sign up options, including using your phone number, email, or even social media accounts like Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Choose the one that works best for you. So, for this tutorial, I'll be using Continue with Google. You'll simply need to choose the account. Here, you'll be needing to enter your birth date. Simply enter the correct birth date. Now start by creating your nickname. This will be the name that everyone will be knowing you of. After done, click on next. And that's it, you've created your TikTok account. Go to your profile page to edit your TikTok account. In the username, you can simply create your own username, which shouldn't be taken by others. After doing so, click on save. Here you can add your bio, add your socials, and put a photo as well. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to make and sign up for a TikTok account. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.